Nissan Motor Company has faced a series of crises in recent years that have raised questions about its ability to navigate long-term challenges. The company's troubles stem from various factors, including financial instability, governance issues, market dynamics, and the pressures of transitioning to electric vehicles, EVs. Here's an analysis of the situation and Nissan's prospects. I appreciate your viewership and would love for you to like, share, subscribe, and share your thoughts for enhancements. Key challenges for Nissan. Leadership and governance turmoil. The 2018 arrest of former chairman Carlos Ghosn over allegations of financial misconduct exposed significant governance issues within Nissan. This led to internal strife, reduced investor confidence, and management instability. Since Ghosn's departure, frequent leadership changes have made it difficult for the company to maintain consistent strategic direction. Financial decline. Nissan reported significant losses in recent years, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic when global auto sales plummeted. The company has struggled with profitability in key markets like the US, Europe, and China, and has faced declining market share. Aging product lineup. Nissan's lineup has lagged behind competitors in innovation, especially in the US market, where it relies heavily on aging models like the Altima and Rogue. Competitors like Toyota, Hyundai, and Tesla have gained ground with fresh designs and robust EV strategies. Alliance tensions. Nissan's strained relationship with Renault and Mitsubishi within the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance has limited the ability to pool resources and collaborate effectively. Disagreements over governance and strategy have created a perception of disunity. EV transition challenges. While Nissan pioneered EVs with the Nissan Leaf, it has since fallen behind competitors in the rapidly evolving EV market. High development costs and stiff competition from Tesla, BYD, and legacy automakers transitioning to EVs have made this sector challenging for Nissan. Steps Nissan is taking. To survive and thrive, Nissan has initiated several measures. Cost-cutting and operational streamlining. Under its Nissan Next plan, the company is closing underperforming factories, reducing its global model lineup, and focusing on profitability over volume. Efforts to cut costs aim to stabilize finances and make operations more efficient. Revamped product lineup. The company has launched new models like the Ariya electric SUV and is investing heavily in EVs and hybrid technology to regain competitive ground. Plans include releasing 27 electrified models, including 19 EVs, by 2030. Strengthening the alliance. Nissan and Renault have restructured their alliance, with Nissan reducing Renault's controlling stake in the company while gaining greater independence. Nissan, Honda, and Mitsubishi announced in August 2024 that they will share components for electric vehicles like batteries and jointly research software for autonomous driving to adapt better to dramatic changes in the auto industry centered around electrification. A preliminary agreement was announced between Honda, Japan's second-largest automaker, and Nissan, third largest, in March 2024. This restructuring aims to enable a more collaborative and equitable partnership, particularly in developing EVs and sharing technology. Market focus. Nissan is doubling down on key markets like China, North America, and Japan while scaling back in regions with lower returns. Focusing on high-demand segments like SUVs and EVs aligns with global market trends. Can Nissan survive? Nissan's survival hinges on its ability to execute its recovery plan while navigating industry shifts. Strengths. The company benefits from a strong global presence, brand recognition, and a foothold in the EV market, with early successes like the Leaf. Weaknesses. Persistent profitability, leadership, and competition challenges may undermine its efforts. Opportunities. The global push toward EVs presents a chance for Nissan to regain leadership if it accelerates innovation and product launches. Threats. Competitors are advancing rapidly in EV and autonomous technology, leaving Nissan at risk of being outpaced. Outlook. Nissan's challenges are significant but not insurmountable. If the company successfully revitalizes its product lineup, strengthens alliances, and capitalizes on its EV expertise, it could stage a recovery. However, it must act decisively and quickly to address its weaknesses and re-establish itself as a competitive player in the global auto industry. Thank you for staying tuned.